Well, hello. It's been a while since we've had a TGIF drink. And as I'm just coming to the end of my first semester of the school year, it's kind of like, yeah, TGIF time. So what I've come up with here is a drink I've been playing around with for a while now. It's called I call it a Frosty Canadian Pirate Shake. Frosty because there's ice cream in there, Canadian because there's a bunch of maple syrup in there, and pirate because of the rum. Now, I'll warn you now, it's for those of you who have a sweet tooth. It is a bit sweet, lots of maple syrup in there. You can always cut back if you want, but I like it good and mapley. Oh yeah, yeah. Definitely if you got a sweet tooth, this is going to satisfy it, and well, it's delicious. Enjoy. Let's go in the kitchen and make it right now. Now to make our Frosty Canadian Pirate Shake, only 4 ingredients needed. This is it. What we've got here is 1 cup of vanilla ice cream, a half a cup of milk, a half a cup of rum, and a 1/4 cup of dark robust maple syrup because I want that flavor coming through. So let's just get everything in the blender. So in goes the ice cream. And, a little bit left over. In goes the milk. In goes the rum. And then get that maple syrup in there. Make sure we get all that maple syrup goodness in there. All right, now all we do, zap it. So I'm just gonna zap this for like about a minute until it's nice and smooth. All the ice cream has been dissolved, mesmerized up into all that milk and everything. Here we go. All right, that's it. Grab ourselves a glass, pour. Drink like a pirate. Oh yeah. That's got some flavor to it. All right, enjoy a Frosty Canadian Pirate Shake. Your sweet tooth will enjoy it too. Now if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out the recipe from the Drink Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the feature tag called Recipes. Not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll get access to all our recipe booklets and a bunch of videos not published anywhere else, including our popular This is Japan series. And you'll also be supporting the creation of many more Kuma's Kitchen recipe videos. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy Frosty Canadian Pirate Shake and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.